Good morning, friends. Before we begin the exercise 8.2, we have to study trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Which are those specific angles? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And how many trigonometric ratios we have? 6. So for those 6 ratios, okay, we have to find the values. I'll teach you the table where you don't have to learn the values. I'll give you the technique and trick, okay, to find the values. So in board exam or in any exam, before you solve the sum, if you draw the table, then within a minute you can take the values from the table and solve the sum. Let's see, okay, what is the method of finding the value using that hint and trick. I call this as, okay, angles. This is sine, cos, right, tan, and what is reciprocal of sine? Cosec. What is the reciprocal of cos? Sec. And what is the reciprocal of tan? Cot. So that is the reason, okay, we have to write like this: sine, then cos, tan, reciprocal of sine is cosec, so cosec will be on the 4th position. Cos, reciprocal of cos is sec, it will be in the 5th position. Then tan, okay, cot is the reciprocal of tan, that is why cot in the 6th position. Once you get the value of sine, cos and tan, okay, it is very easy to find cosec, sec and cot, because we have to take the reciprocal. Now, which values we have to find? Right? 0, then 30, then 45, 60 and 90. We have to find the values for sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Similarly, okay, for the remaining trigonometric ratios also we have to find the values for 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. First, let's see. We'll find for sine. But as I said, okay, I'll tell you what is the trick. So, above the 0, write under root 0 by 4. Above 30, write under root 1 by 4. Above 45, write under root 2 by 4. Above 60, write under root 3 by 4. Okay, you have to take full, okay. This is full. And above 90, we have to take under root 4 upon 4. Above 0, under root 0 by 4. Above 30, okay, this is full, under root 1 by 4. Above 45, under root 2 by 4. Above 60, under root 3 by 4. Above 90, under root 4 by 4. We'll find sine 0. What is under root 0 upon 4? I am writing here, okay. What is under root 0 by 4? 0. So what will be the value of sine 0? 0. Because under root 0 by 4 is 0. So sine 0 is 0. Now we take for sine 30. This, okay, value of sine 0 is 0. Now we take for sine 30. What is the number above 30? Under root 1 by 4. Under root 1 by 4 can be written as separately under root 1 upon root 4. We can write. What is square root of 1? 1. What is square root of 4? 2. So what is the value of sine 30? 1 upon 2. Again I am repeating, okay. Take under root 1 by 4. For sine 30, write separately root 1 upon root 4. What is square root of 1? 1. What is square root of 4? 2. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Now we will go for sine 45. What is written? Above 45, under root 2 by 4. Divide it inside only. It becomes 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. right? If you divide, okay, 2 by 4 in root, it becomes 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Can I write under root 1 by 2 separately? Yes, it becomes root 1 upon root 2. Root 1 upon root 2. What is square root of 1? 1. This remains root 2 because there is no perfect square root for root 2. So what is value of sine 45? 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2. Now, we will find the value of sine 60. What is the number above sine 60? Under root 3 by 4. Why I am writing okay here this number? To explain you so that you understand that with tricks how to find a value. Can I write under root 3 by 4 separately? Root 3 upon root 4? Yes. Root 3 remains as it is because it is not a perfect square root. What is square root of 4? Denominator 2. So what is the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2. And this is above 90. Now we will find the value of sine 90. What is the number above sine 90? Under root 4 by 4. 4 by 4 means what? Under root 1 upon 1. Because 4 gets cancelled. What is square root of 1? 1. What is square root of 1? 1. So what is the value of sine 90? 1. Right? Once we get the value of sine, okay, 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. To find all the remaining okay parts are very easy. Again I am reading the value. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is 1. Now for cos, you don't have to find what to do. Take all these values this way. Understood? Take all the values this way. Right? Then 1 will come here. Root 3 by 2 will come here. 1 by root 2 will remain here. Right? Then 1 by 2 come here and 0 comes here. Again I am repeating for finding value of cos. Whatever values we have got of sine, whether it is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, from this way you have to shift to the left. So 1 comes here, root 3 by 2 comes here, 1 by root 2 comes here, 1 by 2 comes here, 0 comes here. Now I will read the values of cos. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 is 0. Now I will find for tan. What is tan? Tan is equal to sine upon cos. This is the identity. Tan is equal to sine upon cos. Then it can be okay tan A or tan theta. If it is we are taking tan A, it becomes sine A upon cos A. If you are taking tan theta, it becomes sine theta upon cos theta. So if you want to find the values for tan, tan is equal to sine upon cos. So first we will find the value of tan 0. Tan 0 is what? Sine upon cos. What is the value of sine? 0. What is the value of cos? 1. 0 upon 1? 0. What is the value of tan 30? Tan is what? Sine upon cos. So it becomes 1 by 2 upon cos is root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancel. What is left? 1 by root 3. Right? Now tan 45. Tan 45 is what? Sine upon cos. What is value of sine 45? 1 by root 2. What is value of cos 45? 1 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. What is left? 1. So tan 45 is 1. Now tan 60. Tan 60. Tan is what? Sine upon cos. Tan is sine upon cos. So tan 60 will be sine 60 upon cos 60. Because tan 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. What is left? Root 3. What is left? Root 3. So tan 60 is root 3. And now tan 90. Tan 90 is sine upon cos. What is value of sine 90? 1. What is value of cos 90? 0. So 1 upon 0 is what? Not defined. 1 upon 0 is no. defined. 0 upon 1 is 0, but 1 upon 0 is not defined. Now, once we get the value of sine, cos and tan, we don't have to find the value of cosec, sec and cot, because cosec is reciprocal of sine, sec is reciprocal of cos, and tan is reciprocal of cot. Let's see. Cosec reciprocal of sine. This is 0. 0 means 0 upon 1, right? 0 upon 1's reciprocal is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. Cosec 30 reciprocal of sine, that will become 2, right? So cosec 30 is 2. Cosec 45 is reciprocal of sine, 1 by root 2. What is the reciprocal? Root 2 by 1 means root 2. So what is cosec 45? Root 2. Cosec 60 is reciprocal of sine 60. So that will become 2 upon root 3. Now cosec 90. Cosec 90 is reciprocal of sine 90. What is sine 90? 1. What is reciprocal of 1? 1. Right? Now sec. Sec is reciprocal of cos. What is reciprocal of 1? 1. So what sec 0 will be? 1. Because cos 0 is 1. And sec is reciprocal of cos. Now sec 30. Sec 30 is reciprocal of cos 30. What will be reciprocal? That will be 2 upon root 3. So sec 30 is 2 upon root 3. Because sec is reciprocal, sec 30 is reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 will be 2 by root 3. Now sec 45. Sec 45 will be reciprocal of cos 45. That will be root 2. Right? Now sec 60 is reciprocal of cos 60. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. The reciprocal will be 2. And now sec 90. Sec 90 is reciprocal of cos 90. What was cos 90? 0. So sec 90 will be 1 by 0, means not defined. Not defined. So I am writing the values again. Sec 0 is 1. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Sec 45 is root 2. Sec 60 is 2. Sec 90 is not defined. Now cot. Cot is reciprocal of tan. 0 means 0 by 1. So what is the value of 0 by, what is the reciprocal of 0 by 1? 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. So cot 0 is not defined. Now cot 30. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. So cot 30 will be root 3. Because cot is reciprocal of tan. So cot 30 will be reciprocal of tan 30. Now cot 45. What is value of tan 45? 1. So what is reciprocal of 1? 1. So cot 45 will be 1. Because cot 45 is the reciprocal of tan 45. Now cot 60. What is cot 60? Root. Right? Cot 60 is reciprocal of tan 60. What is tan 60? Root 3. So what will be reciprocal? Okay, 1 upon root 3. So cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Now cot 90. What is tan 90? Not defined. Not defined means 1 upon 0. So what is reciprocal of 1 by 0? 0 by 1. What is 0 by 1? 0. So what is the value of cot 90? 0. So this way, okay, we find the trigonometric, okay, ratios of some specific angles. These are the values. I am reading the values again. For sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is 1. Then cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by root 2. Cos 90 is, I am reading again. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And cos 90 is 0. Now tan. Tan 0 is 0. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 60 is root 3. And tan 90 is not defined. Cosec 0, not defined. Cosec 30, 2. Cosec 45, root 2. Cosec 60, 2 by root 3. Cosec 90, 1. Sec 0, 1. Sec 30, 2 by root 3. Sec 45, root 2. Sec 60, 2. Sec 90, not defined. Cot 0, not defined. Cot 30, root 3. Cot 45, 1. Cot 60, 1 by root 3. Cot 90, 0. So this table, okay, will definitely help you to solve the examples. Exercise 8.2. Evaluate. First sum is sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. When the word comes evaluate, we have to place the values in this sum. Sin 60, what is value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is again root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. Either okay, you learn the values, or okay, the table, okay, which I have taught you, write those values of the table and then place here in the sum. Multiply numerator with numerator. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 upon 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4 is equal to. What is the LCM? 4, because the denominator is 4. And when denominators are same, we take the same number as the LCM and the numerator gets added or subtracted as it is. Here it is addition in the numerator. 3 plus 1. What is 3 plus 1? 4. 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. So the value of sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60 is 1. Okay? Calculation should be correct. After placing the correct values, if your calculation is correct, you will get the correct answer. Otherwise, your solution will be wrong. Second bit, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Again I am repeating. Second sum, evaluate 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. I will place the value. 2 into, what is value of tan 45? 1. So 2 into 1 square. Though it is written tan square 45, we cannot write okay like that. We have to write first the value of tan 45 and then we have to square it. Clear? So 2 tan square 45, value of tan 45 is 1. So 2 into 1 square because it is tan square 45. Plus cos 30. What is value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. And we have to square it because it is cos square 30. So first take the value of cos 30 and then square it. Minus sin square 60. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 upon 2. So it is root 3 upon 2 square because it is sin square 60 is equal to 1 square is 1. 2 ones are 2 plus take the square of root 3 by 2. What is square of root 3? 3. What is square of 2? 4 minus take the square okay of root 3 by 2. What is square of root 3? 3. What is square of 2? 4. Right? Is equal to this 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 gets cancelled. What is the answer? 2. Right? Now again I am telling you root 3 square means what? Root 3 into root 3. What is root 3 into root 3? 3. That is why I have written here 3. So the answer of the second sum is 2. Third sum, cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cosec 30. Place the values. Cos 45. What is the value of cos 45? 1 upon root 2. So I will write here 1 upon root 2 upon sec 30. What is sec 30? 2 by root 3. So I will write here 2 2 by root 3 plus what is cosec 30? 2. 2 means 2 by, you can see here, cosec 30 is 2 is equal to 1 by root 2 as it is, 1 upon root 2 as it is. Now we take the LCM of 2 by root 3 plus 2 by 1. 2 means 2 upon 1. Upon. What is the LCM of root 3 and 1? Root 3. Right? Then multiply, cross multiply. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3. Understood? LCM of root 3 and 1 is root 3. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. Now is equal to 1 upon root 2. This is 1 upon root 2 and this is divided by. Divided by becomes multiplication. Division becomes multiplication. So we will take the reciprocal. When division becomes multiplication, we take the reciprocal of this. So root 3 will come in the numerator and 2 plus 2 root 3 will go in the denominator. Will go in the denominator. Now, what we'll do? Multiply numerator with numerator. Root 3 ones are root 3 upon. Take this in bracket. Why in bracket? Whenever you have two terms, please enclose them in the bracket. Now multiply denominator with denominator. 2 into root 2. 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3 into root 2. 2 root 6. Right? Root 2 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 6. But see this denominator. It is a irrational number. And whenever denominator is a irrational number, we have to rationalize it. We have to rationalize it. Understood? So it becomes root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Because when you are doing rationalization, we take the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate means this middle sign gets changed. That is called as conjugate. So 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 becomes 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Now, multiply numerator with numerator. And in rationalization, denominator is always of the form a plus b into a minus b. See the denominator. Both the terms are same. Only the difference is of sign. Here in between it is plus, here it is minus. So in rationalization, denominator is always of the form a plus b into a minus b. And what is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. First I will multiply numerator. Okay? Multiply this root 3 with the bracket. So root 3 into 2 root 2 is 2 root 6 minus root 3 into 2 root 6 is 2 root 18. Right? And denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. What is a here? 2 root 2. What is b? 2 root 6. So it is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Right? Now I will write here. Multiply. Okay? Here 2 root 6 minus 2 root. What is this? Root 18. Root 18 can be written as 9 into 2 upon. What is 2 root 2 square? 8 minus. What is 2 root 6 square? 24. Now how 8 has come? 2 root 2 square means what? 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. What is 2 2s are? 4 into what is root 2 into root 2? 2. 4 2s are 8. Similarly, 2 root 6 whole square means 2 root 6 into 2 root 6. So that becomes 24 is equal to 2 root 6 minus 2 is already outside. What is inside? Under root 9 into 2. What is square root of 9? 3. What is square root of 9? 3. So 3 gets multiplied with 2. It becomes 6 root 2 upon What is 8 minus 24? Minus 16. Minus 16. Now I will take 2 common in the numerator because 2 and this 6 they are in the table of 2. So 2 can be taken as common. 2 in bracket root 6 minus 3 root 2 upon minus 16. Why 3 here? Because 2 we have taken common. So 2 3s is 6. So only 3 will be left out here upon minus 16. Divide this. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are. Right? 2 8s are. So what is left in the numerator? Root 6 minus 3 root 2 upon minus 8 upon minus 8. But keep in mind friends, denominator is always positive. It should be always positive. So if you want to make this positive, we have to change the sign in the numerator. We have to change the sign in the numerator. In the numerator, if the number is positive, it will become negative. If the term is negative, it will become positive. So this will become minus root 6 and minus 3 root 2 will become plus 3 root 2 upon 8. So this is the method to find the answer or evaluate the sum. Fourth sum is 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. We'll place the values is equal to 5 into. What is value of cos 60? 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 whole square because it is 5 into cos square 60. So you have to take the value of cos 60 and then square it. Plus 4 sec square 30. What is the value of sec 30? 2 by root 3. So 4 into 2 upon root 3 whole square minus tan 45 value is 1. So what is value of tan square 45? 1. 1 means 1 upon 1 upon. Okay. Sin square 30. What is value of sin 30? 1 upon 2. So what will be sin square 30? 1 upon 2 whole square plus cos square 30. What is value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. So it will be root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to, multiply this. 1 square is 1. 1 into 5 is 5 because 1 and 5 both are in the numerator. 2 square is 4 plus. Now I will take the square of first 2 by root 3 and then I will multiply by 4. 2 square is 4. 4 4s are 16 upon root 3 square is 3 minus 1 by 1 upon 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 square is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. Is equal to. Now I will take the LCM of 4, 3 and 1. What is the LCM of 4, 3 and 1? 12. Right? Now what will come here? Into 3. Here also. Because 4 3 is 12. And if you are taking 3 here, you have to multiply by 3 in the numerator. 3 into 4 is 12. So it will be 16. 4 is. What will come here? 12. Here also 12. Multiply. 5 3 is 15 minus 16 4s are 64. It is plus. Okay, it's not minus, plus. Minus 12 ones are 12 upon. Take the LCM of 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. What is the LCM? 4. As denominator is same, numerator will be added or subtracted as it is. Here it is plus. So it will get added. Is equal to 15 plus 64, 79. 15 plus 64, 79. Right? 79 minus 12, 67. Upon. This is 12. Upon. What is 3 plus 1? 4. Upon 4. 4 4 gets cancel. What is the answer? 67 upon 12. So this way, okay, we have to solve this sum to get the correct answer.